To make the cashew ginger stir fry, you will need 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 garlic clove crushed, 2 organic chicken thighs roughly chopped, half a cup of cashews, half a cup of broccoli, half a cup of snow peas, 1 small head of bok choy, 2 teaspoons of freshly grated ginger, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon of tamari. To get started, in a wok or fry pan over medium to high heat, heat your sesame oil and begin stir frying the garlic. Next, add in the chicken and cook for 3 to 5 minutes or until golden and cooked through. Toss through the cashews, followed by the green vegetables, and finally stir through the ginger, sesame oil and tamari, mixing well to coat all of the ingredients. Serve with some cooked brown rice or cauliflower rice.